Hey team, I just have a couple things for you, and because we're not doing training meeting, I thought I would just do this quick video. Uh, we mentioned this about a month or two ago when you and your companion teacher were assigned for next semester, but I'm going to show you how to take care of your shifts or to let Maddie and I know how to do that. So you're going to go to my website, scroll down, and then you're going to go to where it says schedules. You'll click on winter 2019. And this is the most up-to-date reference for you to go to see who your companion teacher is, what the shifts look like. Nothing's really changed, so don't panic. Everything should be the same as what I've told you before. But what I want to show you is how you're going to communicate this to Maddie and I. So if we look at branch 34, we've assigned each shift a number all the way till Saturday. And then if we take Sabrina and Christian as an example, you're going to come where it says shifts, and you're just going to write down the shifts that you're planning to work. So we'll take Sabrina, for example. Monday, she's planning to work Monday, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday afternoon, and Friday morning. So there should be a total of 5 shifts in every single one of these boxes. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you have questions or concerns, let me know. And then the other thing I wanted to let you know is about Christmas coverage. So if you go to the document, I've started plugging in the districts that we're picking up this week, so on Wednesday, because these districts will go into the break. So I'll communicate this as time goes on, but just know that these room numbers are starting to get plugged in, and Christmas, the craziness that comes with Christmas is becoming very real. I hope that finals go well, and I hope you take this time to prepare. That since we're not doing training meeting, I love you all, and you're the best. Hope you have a great day.